Article 12. Article 12. Circumstance of which exempting from criminal liability. The following are exempting from criminal liability. 1. Imbecile or insane person unless the latter has acted during lucid interval. When the vessel or an insane person has committed an act which the law defends as the felony delicito, the court shall order has confinement in one of the hospitals or asylums established for person thus afflicted, which he shall not permitted to live without first obtain the permission of the same court. 2. A person under 9 years of age. 3. A person over 9 years of age and under 15 unless he has acted with discernment, in which case such minor shall be proceed against in accordance with the provision of Article 80 of this code. When such minor is adjudged to be criminal irresponsible, the court, in conformity with provision of this and the preceding paragraph, shall commit him to the care and custody of his family, who shall be charged with his surveillance and education. Otherwise, he shall be committed to the care of some institution or person mentioned in said Article 80. Number 4. Any person who, while performing a lawful act with due care, cause an injury by mere accident without fault or intention of causing it. 5. Any person who act under the compulsion of irresistible force. Any person who act under the impulse of an uncontrollable fear of an equal or greater injury. Number 7. Any person who fails to perform an act required by law when preventing by some lawful insuperable cause. Article 12. Exempting circumstance.